Hi, this video is going to cover Power BI and show you some of the real benefits it can bring you and your business. Today's video will be about asking questions of your data. Dashboards are designed to show answers to specific questions, typically about how are we doing in an area of the business. However, these questions and answers generally elicit further questions. And how are they answered then, if not on the dashboard already? Typically, you have to redesign the dashboard to add a new chart or a table in there to actually see the answer to that question. And that can take time and delay you getting the answer you need now. With Power BI, you can actually ask questions and do a Q&A session with your data. So how can we do this? The simple way is to add a specific chart into your Power BI that we can then ask questions directly into, or we can export this into Excel and analyze the data further and go Power Pivot crazy with it. So what I'll do is go through those two options within Power BI and Excel. So within our Power BI dashboard, I'll go to the net sales tab here, and you can see amongst the charts and stats we want to see, there's an area here which is actually the Q&A section. What we'll do is change the question that's currently being asked and answered here, and go in and ask what the net sales are in total. So I'll start typing in, and it knows what my data structure is named as, and will find and match field names to what I'm typing in and give suggestions accordingly. So I can see my total sales are $387,000. Now that's great, but how does that work by product? So let me ask that. Can you show me that by the product? And even though I mistyped it, it's going to give me some suggestions here. I can click on that. It recognizes the product names and displays it as a bar graph because it thinks that's really what I'm asking for. But I actually want to see that as something a lot more interesting, maybe how it's spread over the geography of our sales. So show me that as a map, and then instantly show me that data as a map across the world. So it's that simple to ask data in an almost natural language, okay, specific to your data language if you like. Now I also mentioned how you can do this in Excel. So to do that, I can click on the menu item here and choose Analyze this in Excel. And that will then download a return file, which I can click on, and that will fire up Excel. I'll enable the security concern there, and it's default into a Power Pivot here. And what I want to do is click some data and put it into this Power Pivot. So net sales, let's do that as value. I then want to look at the, you can see here there's all the fields that are in Power BI are all shown in here as well. And I want to look at the product. I'll put that as a rows. Then we want to look at the month, do it as a column, and finally we'll pick the category of sale in there as well, and that's a customer category. So very quickly I can put all that data into Power Pivot, and if I wanted to create charts for that as you would in Excel and any other data in there. And you've got the normal Power Pivot, you can pick specific categories, look at certain area ranges only for customer category, and visualize all this in Excel as you want, able to answer any question and answer it as you would in Power Pivot. So I hope that was useful. Thank you for your time, and any questions you can get in contact with us, or you can actually download this sample returns dashboard directly from Microsoft, and I'll put that in the link below where you can click on our blog about the 9 cool things about Power BI, and in there it contains a link to this dashboard so you can play with that yourself as well. Thank you.